Today I'm going to show you how to create a light text effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, we'll create a new document by going to File and New. From the drop-down, select the pixels. Make the width 5,903. The height 3,935. The resolution 300 per inch. Click the color box. Select any dark color. Then click Create. Select your text tool from the toolbar. Go to Window and Character. The font I'm using the Montserrat Medium. The font size 360. And the text color black. Now click on your document and type out your text. Then right-click and rasterize type. Select your Move tool from the toolbar and drag your text to a position you like. Make 2 copies of your text by pressing Ctrl-J twice. Name the top layer Light Text, the layer below Light Shadow, and the bottom layer Light Blur. Now disable the 2 layers. Hold the Control key and click on the thumbnail of the Light Blur layer to make a selection. Click the foreground color and choose white. Press Alt-Delete to fill the selection with white. Press Ctrl-D to remove selection. Go to Filter, Blur, and Radial Blur. The blur method zoom, the quality best, and the amount 100. This time I'm going to repeat this effect several times, so go to Filter and choose the first option here. Now enable the 2 layers. Then select the light shadow layer. Press Ctrl-T to free transform. Right-click and choose the flip vertical, and drag it down. Hold the Shift key while dragging bottom handle. Right-click again and choose the perspective. Go to a bottom corner and drag it out until you're happy with text perspective. Then hit Enter once you're satisfied. Select the top layer. Click the FX icon and choose the stroke. The size is 6 pixels. The position is inside. The blend mode is normal. The opacity is 100%. And the color is white. Decrease the fill to 45%. Select the layer below. Then create a layer mask. Select your gradient tool from the toolbar. Click the gradient bar at the top. Open the Basics preset folder and click Foreground to Transparent. Click Linear Gradient box at the top. Make sure foreground color is black. Go to the bottom of your document and press and hold Shift as you drag a line to the middle. Select the Light Blur layer. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Select the bottom layer. Then make a new layer and rename it Lens Flare. Go to Edit and open your fill window. From the drop-down, select the black. Go to Filter, Render, and Lens Flare. The lens type, click 105 prime, and brightness 100%. Go back to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Make the radius 30 pixels. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to screen. Click on the adjustment layer and create a levels. Then clip it. Make the shadow input level 25. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.